Hello friends, welcome to my lab. In this video I will show you the unboxing and full review of 50 watt monocrystalline solar panel, and this panel can be used for charging 12 volt battery. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. I bought this panel from Flipkart on Big Billion Day sale, and the actual price of the panel is 4500 rupees, but I have to pay rupees 2208 rupees only at 50% off. You can see there is a tag of glass side, which means we have to place this side up always. And let's see the another side of the box, and the weight is little much heavier than I expected. Let's unbox it. The packaging is too much protected by this bubble wrap. Now you can see the box of monocrystalline photovoltaic module of 50 watt, and the product information is printed over here. You can see the weight of the panel is above 4 kg and the dimension MRP is printed, and the panel is manufactured on September 2020. That means we get the current product, and here you can see the warranty of 25 years is given by the manufacturer. The panel is completely made in India, and it claims as the India's #1 mono panel manufacturer. Now let's open the box. Here is our monocrystalline solar panel of 50 watt. The output voltage of the panel is 12 volt with 50 watt power output, having 36 solar cells connected in series parallel connection internally. There is a paper on the back of the panel, and you can see this is the data sheet of the panel showing the voltage versus current characteristics curve with short circuit current, open circuit voltage, peak power, and another data. We will discuss this data sheet in another video. And this is the warranty card of the panel. The manufacturer is given 5 years on manufacturing defect and 25 years warranty on the performance of the panel, and you cannot get any warranty if the panel is forced, damaged, wear and tear, or damage due to misuse. Here you can see the product is quality control passed and checked by the manufacturer, and there is the positive and negative marking of the terminal box of the panel is given. Here is also a data sheet is printed where the open circuit voltage, short circuit current, voltage at maximum power, current at maximum power is printed, and we will discuss in another video. Now you can see the length of the panel is more than 2 feet, and the width of the panel is more than 1 feet at about 1.5 feet. The more wattage solar panel you buy, the dimension of the panel will also increase. Now let's open the connector terminal box, and you can see the terminals are IP68, and you can see there is a diode is connected between the terminals to prevent the internal short circuit of the panel. These two terminals are coming out from the panel and connected with this terminal box. We have to connect our positive and negative terminal cables with these two terminals and coming out from this hole. Let's cover the terminal box again. You can see some holes are drilled on the aluminium channel for mounting this panel on the bracket at rooftop. The solar panel is stuck on this aluminium channel by the silicone glue. The top of the panel is made by the toughened glass, and which is claimed as the unbreakable. You can use this panel for lighting up to 3-4 LED bulb and mobile charging without any inverter, but you have to use the solar charge control unit with this panel for charging battery and connecting only DC load. In the next video we will see how to connect the terminal box and the test under open air. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.